A novel name, isn't it? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, this moment is the second to inform yourself about it. It might appear to be a tale, yet that is the way this extraordinary advanced monies process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this weird however particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of dog called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. After that, this quickly developing digital money turned into a well-known name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is decentralized and totally secure. As indicated by the authentic information and late Dogecoin cost expectation, Doge represents an available and a reasonable option in contrast to Bitcoin. The novel, energetic, Dogecoin people group has permitted Doge to accomplish something of a faction following. Dogecoin community, talk of the town. The central thing that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are formed to such an extent that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. The possible issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it might as of now not be productive for diggers to keep on supporting the framework. This prompts an ascent and colossal high charges to energize diggers or extremely deferred or late exchange processes, as there would be no issue with handling network exchanges. An administration or bank is a unified foundation that can genuinely print its own cash. Conversely, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so on, adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed herein before, auxiliary proof of work, POW, frames the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering excavators to handle Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to tackle muddled conditions. When the condition is settled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the digger is compensated with Doge. Doge figure, the cost will be around $0.162 in 1 year, while in the following 5 years, the cost will reach $0.867. Dogecoin will be a product of interest over the long haul. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost forecast, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when basics never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the principles are being reworked or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another rush of development. Furthermore, in that wave, new kinds of resources could have a good spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrible to those trapped in the change. Vulnerability isn't great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't really great for progress. No big surprise, not at all like all digital forms of money. Dogecoin esteem also was powerless to the high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost variances. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you really want to look out for your venture. You really want to peruse the cryptographic money cost figure and be ready. Regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the cryptographic money market, there is a fair Dogecoin future. The transient assessment for the prompt help level is $0.051, the pivotal help level is 3 cents, though the qualities for the quick and essential obstruction levels are $0.121 and $0.166, individually. Be that as it may, over the course of the past year, computerized monetary standards have seen an enormous unpredictability stage, and Dogecoin is no special case. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a huge change, including Dogecoin's market cap as well. Notwithstanding, we really should know the changes in Dogecoin cost may be impacted in view of the present moment and the drawn-out conjecture of cost. During the last year, the Dogecoin cost activity checked intense changes alongside its market capitalization. According to the last year's cost pattern, the Doge cost has confronted an enormous fall after a huge bullish convention. Yet, the new Dogecoin cost changes have shocked financial backers and brokers in the midst of a huge auction. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with supporting the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout the course of recent days. Elon Musk's constant help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another record-breaking high of $0.7376. Because of persistent superstar support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with critical development as far as cost in the forthcoming months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Additionally, as indicated by the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyber Whistle, Gigatexa belt buckle, and Cyber Quad for kids. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from March 19, 2022, and Mark Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Maverick, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin built up momentum via web-based entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting signals. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, impacting market Dogecoin cost expectations emphatically. Additionally, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, while the others don't. Moreover, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. As of late, Keith Johnson has blamed Elon Musk for a supposed Dogecoin fraudulent business model and has sued him for $258 billion on June 16. That's what he says Musk involved his platform as world's richest man to work and control the Dogecoin pyramid scheme revenue-driven, openness, and entertainment. Dogecoin cost is supposed to recuperate its lost energy and head towards its opposition level of $0.1212. According to the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022, the cost of Dogecoin could cross 7 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 9 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 2 cents. The one-year cost is projected according to our expectation for 2022. Dogecoin prediction 2023. According to the market opinion and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enlist a steady ascent. What's more, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents, on the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin predictions 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross 40 cents toward the finish